Hey there, Matt Wicks from SSW here. I want to take you through some of the pain that we experience when creating custom forms to capture information from our users, especially on lead creation. Let's go take a look. So here we are. I'm on the SSW website, and this is one of the consulting pages for Angular. Now, it's got a button at the top to book a free initial meeting, and that's how we capture leads from our potential customers and start the sales process. We've also got the exact same button right at the bottom of the page, in case they missed it at the beginning. When you click on it, it opens a modal, slides down, captures some information, contact information, so their contact information, where they are. If they select Australia, it'll even give them an option to choose the state, so we route that lead to the correct sales manager. It's got some recapture on there, and essentially what happens is when they click submit, it gets the server picks it up, passes it to a Power Automate flow that goes into CRM, and it gets tracked from there. Now, this is really nice. This is the kind of thing you want on all of your web assets, so you can pull in the leads. One of the problems we have, though, is if I go over to the SSW people site, so this is still on ssw.com.au, I'm looking at this profile, I'm like, awesome, I want to book this person. Is there a book now button? Oh, there's a book a free initial meeting. I'll click on that. This is different. So instantly I can see something didn't slide down. It's got a gray background, not a white, but it still has a recapture. This is actually a separate implementation of the exact same form. So we've got a bit of a problem here. We're violating dry. If we go over to SSW TV, if I go down, I like what I see. I want to get in contact and book some stuff. Now, this is different. Name, email, phone, and a message. Nothing about country or there's no recapture. So it's a very different implementation. If I go over to our Angular Hack Day site, there's a contact us form, which is great. It's got name and email, not phone. Subject, well, am I sending an email or am I submitting a lead form? I'm not sure. And a message, no recapture. So you can see we've got now four different implementations of what could be the same form. So we're really violating dry. I want to show you a couple of services that we could utilize to not violate dry, have a consistent experience across the things, and the beauty of that is not only will we get recaptures everywhere, but we will be sure that we're routing the information to the right person. And also on all our different sites, we just need to add a bit of JavaScript to make it work. We don't need to save secrets to call our Power Automate or our recapture secrets all over the place. So it'll be fewer secrets to work with. One of the implementations is a thing called Typeform. Now, this is a very pretty looking form where I've got a different screen for each question. So if I click on preview, you can see what's your name. We've got some branding in the top corner and a nice-ish looking picture on the side, which we can change. But if I type in some information, hey, my name's Matt, here's my email address, we're going screen by screen and entering information. Now, whilst it looks really pretty, there may be a bit of we may get some rage clicks on this, because as a user, I know what I'm doing. I may just want to input everything on one screen. So in order to combat that, I've got another implementation which I'll show you, and it's using a tool called Jotform. Jotform, I can create my form however I want. When I click on things, I get a whole bunch of different settings that I can tweak. We've got the exact same questions actually as our existing form. The cool thing about this is if I go to settings, I can have email autoresponders, so I can automatically reply with emails. I can integrate with other apps. So if I search for Power Automate, that comes up. So hey, we've already got a Power Automate flow. We can hook it into this, so this will dovetail quite nicely. The other thing that we can do is if I go to publish and embed, I can grab a bit of JavaScript to embed it on a lot of different sites. So we're not going to violate dry. So if I go to a Lightbox implementation, because that kind of looks like what the the people and our main website is, I can click preview to preview it, and that would be our book an initial meeting button. It comes up on screen. I can type in all the questions. I can even do, if I choose Australia, the state question comes up, so we route to the right sales manager. There's reCAPTCHA at the bottom. I don't have to manage any secrets. It's just a piece of JavaScript code. So there you go. I've shown you a couple of potential solutions to solving the pain around managing lead forms on all our different web assets. Thanks for watching.